In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add contacts in Brevo. By the end, you'll know how to add a single contact with clean, reliable details so your CRM stays organized and your messages reach the right person. First, open your browser and go to Brevo. Once you're signed in, head over to the CRM section. This is where you manage people and company records. On the contacts page, you'll see an option to import contacts, which is great if you have a spreadsheet or a CSV file. For this walkthrough, we'll create one contact manually so you can see every field and why it matters. Choose Create a Contact. Start by entering the first name and last name. Use consistent capitalization, like sentence case, so your personalization in emails looks professional. Next, add the email address. This is the key identifier for campaigns and automations, so double check spelling and make sure you have consent to contact this person. Enter the SMS field for a mobile number if you plan to send text messages. Use the full international format with the country code to avoid delivery issues. If you also have a landline, add it in the landline number field. It can be useful for call logging or enrichment, but it's optional. You'll see a field called EXID. This is helpful when you're syncing data from another system, like a billing tool or a sign-up form. Paste the unique ID from that system here so your records stay aligned. If you don't use external IDs, you can leave it blank. Choose the contact's time zone. This improves deliverability and engagement by ensuring messages are sent at a sensible local time, especially for automated journeys. Select the lists you want this contact added to. Lists help you control who receives which campaigns. Pick the most relevant ones now. You can always adjust later as your segmentation evolves. Add the job title if you have it. Even a simple title can power better filters and personalization. Associate the contact to a company record if they work at a specific organization. Linking people to companies helps your team see context, like deals, notes, and prior activity at a glance. If you're not sure, you can return and add the association later. Finally, include a LinkedIn profile URL if available. This supports richer profiles and better outreach prep. Give everything a quick review, then click Create. Your new contact is saved and ready for campaigns, automations, or CRM workflows. That's it. You've successfully added a contact in Brevo with all the key details set up correctly.